What's up, everybody? This is the beginning of the Braun harness install. All right. So I'm in my car, so I'm gonna just use this little beer opener. So you gotta pop this off. This is your mounting point. Through extensive research, I've seen other videos, another DSM guy. For the DSMs, it's super easy. I did this side and deleted the seat belt, and so you're gonna basically use this point and this point as your mounting points for your harness bar. I'm gonna make this real simple for the DSM guys, okay? So you pop this off, super simple. Pop this off, push this all the way down so it goes all to the lowest point with this clip. Then you take this bolt out, you take off the bolt down there, and then you pull this back. If I'll do it right now for you, like so. Pull this back, and watch this. Here's a kicker, y'all. Okay, so once again, lower this all the way to the bottom. This is your mounting point for the bracket for the Braun, okay? Take this out, take that one out on the bottom. That's for the pumps. Take this one out, okay? This little screwdriver, take this little piece off. Delete it all. You're putting racing harnesses in there anyways. Now, the kicker is you're gonna use the bolt down there, and you're gonna use the bolt right up in here that takes this off, and you're gonna disassemble it, and you don't need to buy no bolts. Ain't that the shit? So you don't need to buy no bolts. The DSM already comes with bolts. I'll show you guys right now how to take off the bolt, and because it's like it comes with washers. It has its own little washers and little cushions and stuff to disassemble it. It's perfect. Watch, I'll show you. I was messing with it last night. I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right, so you're gonna need this bolt. Comes with the seat belt, stock seat belt, and you're gonna take this bolt off. So again, this is for to mount your bracket up top for the harness bar. The bracket up top comes with the seat belt, and this one also comes with the seat belt, so you won't have to buy no bolts. Trick is, here's the trick. You gotta take the little washer, pop it off, and everything comes off. You just pull it right out, and all you keep is the bolts and the lock washer. That's all you're going to use. I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. Super easy. Alright, just pop this off just like so. Just pull everything out. Pull the bolts out. See? Sorry I didn't get it in the camera, but this is the bolt you're going to need for the bottom and the washer. Right, I've already gone ahead and did this side. This is the short bolt, kind of loose, leave it on there loose. Here's a rod for the long bolt. It's bolted in there like so. Sorry about the car, gotta warm it up. But then next is you repeat the process on the left side. Boom, and you install the harness bar. I'm about to do that for you right now. Check it out. Short bolt bracket. Goes right on. Perfect bolts. You don't have to buy nothing with this kit. Turn the car off. Yep, this is perfect. And then on the bottom, these are the bolts that come with it. You don't need those. Save it for something else. Put that away. Drop the washer. Okay. Come through with the bolt you just took out. with that little locking washer thing. Put it right through the hole. Boom. Feed it through the bottom. Let's see if I can get down there and show y'all. Boom. Let's see. Yep. All right. Leave it kind of loose. Next part, moving right along. Fuck it. It's my first time doing this, but I think it should not be hard. Where's the locking washers? All right. All right. This goes. Like so. All right, it's getting tight back here, so let me see. How about wiggle this? I'm doing this by myself, y'all, so give me a little credit for the viewers. Let's see. All right, here comes with this side. Now again, you might need some washers. I don't know yet. I haven't tightened everything down, but these are your mounting points. Look, I just installed the harness bar. All right, now I'm gonna install the pumps on this side with the bolt head going on the outside. Now I don't remember if they wanted this to go on the inside or the outside. Fuck. All right, well, I'm gonna run with the outside. I'm gonna make an executive decision. And if I gotta change it, then I'll change it later. But what I wanted to show you in this video is the mounting points for a DSM. It's not hard, you shouldn't overthink it. I've seen some videos on how to do it absolutely wrong. And all you do is, what's up? All you do is take out your, the seat belts. You're putting in a harness bar anyways, right? So and you use the 2 bolts that you took out the seat belts with, and they literally work perfect for what you're trying to do. So this is it installed. Look, I just put it up. Everything's loose. I have to make adjustments, but this video is done. I just wanted to show you guys how it mounts up, the mounting locations, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna hook up the other side on the other side. And on the next video, I'm gonna install my Sparco Evo seat. And with that, you'll be able to see the finished product with the harness bar, how it all looks all together. But let me give y'all a little tour. This is it so far. Oh, here's the bar. It's just loosely mounted, y'all. I gotta do this side right here. Matter of fact, I'll do that right now, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.